Hey everyone, welcome back to another SAT math video. This is a question from the 2024 official Test Bundle 6 Math Module 1. It's linked in the description below. The scatterplot shows the relationship between two variables, x and y. Which of the following graphs shows the most appropriate model for the data? So this question is what we would call a line of best fit problem, right? And when you have a line of best fit, basically you need to find you need to define a line that fits the data modeled by the points. And a general rule of thumb is to try and first make the line go through the points. And then if you can't make the line go through the points, what you can do instead is try and make the line have half the points above or half below or half below, right? So what I mean is, say for example, we have some xy coordinate plane and we have some points that are all going upwards in a positive direction. We would want to, if we can't align our line between all the points, we would want it to at least go through the middle, or that is to say, have half the points above or half the points below. If, for example, it was like really, obvious, like, we could get like some sort of line where like the points are very much already in like a shape that is easy to connect, then we would want to, make our line of best fit go through the points. So if that's not possible, next best option is to have the line with half the points above, half the points below. So just to recap, you can either try to make the line go through as many points as possible, and if that's not possible, half above or half below. And usually you'll have some combination of both of these options, right? So let's look at the answer choices and see which is the best fit. Now, if we look at A, there are two, it goes through almost a couple points, but it misses all of these points right here. So that would be a bad answer. Now, if we look at B, this is completely in the opposite direction and not even really close to any of the points. So that is a bad answer as well. If we look at C, notice that the line, it kind of matches the shape in which the data is taking, but it is way above it. All the points are below, so it's still not the best fit. And that leaves us with D. D, I mean, just by process of elimination, we know it's the right answer, but why is it the right answer? Well, you could see that it goes through some of the points, right? It goes through the first point over here, and then also goes through the first point, or the last point here, and then every other point, oh, well, it actually goes through the point here too. And then every other point is either below or above the line, so it's in between the remaining data. So this would be our line of best fit. So there you have it, not a super complicated concept. You just kind of have to remember these two general rules of thumb, which are make the line go through as many points as possible, or try and have half the points above or half the points below the line, right? And that's the easy way and some easy rules to remember the line of best fit. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if I can do anything to improve these videos. Check out Khan Academy. They have a lot of great resources for SAT and ACT. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.